Hello everyone, this is Kedar here, and today in this video on IRS tax refund update, we monitor all the latest elements of this tax season, all the latest batch of direct deposit refunds. We have got some good news for some tax filers. These batch of direct deposits, the latest batch of direct deposit refunds have been transmitted to the banks by IRS. We have got all the latest updates in this video. Also, what's going on regarding that IRS Path Act? Is it lifted or not? Well, we have got all the latest update on IRS Path Act, when this is going to be lifted. Also, if you want to check the exact deposit date, then you might want to follow this important procedure. Also, we have got the updates on where is my amended return. So in today's IRS tax refund update, we are going to be discussing some of the exciting news regarding the tax refund holds that may have been lifted for some of the taxpayers. We'll be also discussing some delays which are still being experienced by some of the taxpayers, along with some updates on the refund schedule, transcripts, and many more. So without further ado, let's deep dive into all the details. However guys, quickly before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel. How to guys? Be sure to turn on all the bell notification for all the latest updates on IRS tax refund, the schedule, and all the important things. So be sure to subscribe to our channel with all the bell notification, that will keep you posted. And without further ado, let's jump right into all the details. Alright guys, so first of all, we have got some news, some good news to start off with today's update. We got the refund status for some of the taxpayers, and we have got holds onto the tax returns claiming those eitc earned income tax credit and additional child tax credit due to the Path Act. Now Path Act have been lifted, clearing the way for the IRS to continue processing those tax return and issuing those refund for many of those who are part of this group, and you may start to expect the update to your tax transcript as soon as tomorrow morning, and depending on to your tax transcript cycle code. So guys, now that the IRS Path Act has been lifted, we will recap and continue to hear some reports from viewers that their refund status results and the tax transcripts are still not updating even after a few weeks after they have filed. This is an update for those of you who are still waiting for the last year's tax refunds. And starting off with the latest updates on holds on those tax return, we are claiming the earned income tax credit and child tax credit. Well, this is happening due to the Path Act, and Path Act has been finally lifted, clearing the way to the IRS continue processing those tax return and issuing the refunds for the taxpayers. And these refunds are going to the people, those group of people claiming earned income tax credit and additional child tax credit. IRS has cleared the way to continue processing those tax returns, issuing the refunds for those group of people, and you may start to expect to see the updates for those of the tax transcripts soon as tomorrow morning, depending on your tax transcript cycle code. And we also expect to see a mass update, where's my refund, on this morning Saturday. As per the latest reports, taxpayers receiving the first round of the deposit will see the tax transcripts updated with the 846 refund issued codes on Friday, February 17, 2023, and where is my refund updates on Saturday, February 18 of the 2023. Everybody's statuses will change to a new status because of the Path Act holds releases at the end of the day. Path Act will be ending on to the 24th hour of the day. So remember guys, on Wednesday, February 15, 2023, on morning of the February 16, most people will see being processed screen until they receive their further information or 2 bars with a direct deposit date. Already some of the taxpayers have started receiving their, and you might see these kind of results when it comes down to those refund status results. So your refund might have been approved, and surely you'll get this kind of a status. Well, and if your refund is not credited to your account by February 13 of the 2023, then please revisit this site or use IRS to go application for revised refund status. Updates to the refund status are made no more than once a day. Already many of the taxpayers have got these refund result status, and soon you might see your status has been updated, whether it's IRS to go or where is my refund page. As the Path Act hold will be going to be lifted very soon, well, keep eye on to your where's my refund status and IRS to go status on February 17 and February 18 respectively. And once that Path Act hold release will be lifted up, then those group of people will be going to receive their refunds. Their status will be updated as soon as possible. When it comes down to the 2023 tax season, some of the important dates: February 17, mass transcript update will be happening for cycle code 05. February is 18, where you can check out here where is my refund status. February 20 is actually the federal holiday, so therefore no IRS processing will be happening. February 22 and February 23 were mass direct deposit for those people who is claiming earned income tax credit and additional child tax credit. Be sure to stay alert on these important dates. So once again guys, some of the important dates for you. On February 17, expect a mass transcript update for cycle code 05. February 18, where mass update is going to happen for where's my refund page. Also February 20, where federal holiday, therefore no IRS processing will happen. And therefore February 22 and February 23, where that's where the mass direct deposit for those of you who are claiming earned income tax credit and child tax credit will be going to happen. Now guys, turning to this week's tax refund update. Well, the direct deposit refunds have been released and transmitted by the IRS to the bank accounts for those of you who are part of the February 15th batch for the refunds. And now for most of the people, they will be going to receive their direct deposit on the day, or they are going to receive probably a day or two before. Now while most of the people will receive their direct deposit on the day on 15th of the February, and even some 1 or 2 days before, but make sure you allow several additional days for it to post depending on your bank status. And if you do not receive your refunds by February 20 or February 21st, they will show you the part of this refund batch to immediately initiate payment trace with the IRS over the phone or by filing out IRS form 3911. And you know what, number of our viewers are still reporting like they are not able to see update where's my refund status, even their tax transcript, and those of the e-filers may expect to wait between 2 or 4 weeks after filing before seeing an update on IRS tax transcripts, while generally they will see an update within just 36 hours while checking their refund status. Now we continue to hear some reports from our viewers that their refund status results and the tax transcripts are still not updating even after weeks after filing. For those of you who have filed electronically, you may expect to wait between 2 to 4 weeks after filing before seeing an update on your tax transcript, while generally you'll see an update just within 36 hours when checking your refund status on IRS website. But it's very important to note that IRS does not start processing until the January 23rd, so don't just start counting on the dates before then. Also, we are hearing some of the concern about their refund status. Some of the people are also seeing those orange bars when checking the refund status. They have seen onto the left those orange bars disappear and does not indicate anything at all. There is a problem with your tax return, and that's a potential issue with your return. Now speaking of those people who are still waiting on last year refunds, well, IRS has posted another update regarding those remaining backlogs. For those of you who are still waiting on last year's refunds, IRS has posted another update in regards of remaining backlog, which remains at 1.8 million unprocessed tax returns, and the remaining is now just down to 200,000 returns from the last update which IRS sent out. Now they had backlog of 2 million originally, and among those there are still remaining including 1.7 million unprocessed e-file returns. Those require special processing along with 107,000 paper returns. The number is higher than we thought, but that's what the update is. Once we get any latest update, I will keep you posted, so make sure to subscribe to our channel How To Guys with all the bell notification. Be sure to hit that like, share this video, and this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.